see the F-150.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. Okay, it's a great day. Ferrari's here. Ferrari's looking very pretty. Hi, how are you? Now, you guys obviously see the F-150 now is parked in the garage. Oh my God. That's nope.
Demon special box.
Okay.
Take.
Anyways, guys, it is the Demon Crate. It's here. Basically, what the Demon Crate is it's I don't know how to explain it. It's its own drag set. It comes with radials. It comes with a jack. Comes with all these special tools, so that you can take this crate somehow, put in the back of the Demon. I don't know how that works, but you take that, you put it in there, and now you have all your drag stuff for you. This is very exciting, and we're gonna do an unboxing reveal, basically.
Oh, that's barely touching. Holy shit.
Fragile. Hey, calm your mouth, Cooper. Guys, this is gonna be so cool. I'm so excited for this. Like, we've been waiting for this for like 3 or 4 months now. Like, this has been taking a long time, and it's only for demons. So, like, Hellcat owners, sorry, we love you, but still, it doesn't work for you guys. This is demon, only demons.
Yes, maybe you should take it slow, mister. Yes, that's the part you always show. So curious, maybe you should take it slow.
Alright, guys, so actually there's a malfunction. We can't really like unload the Demon box or Demon Crate, whatever you want to call it. So it's sitting here in storage in the F-150, and we're gonna come back this weekend and actually get to dink with it. We're gonna put it actually in the Demon storage because right now it's sitting with the Razors. But yeah, we'll do that this weekend, and I'm really excited. This is Cooper broke it. This is super sick. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. Kyle, don't let.
You show your whole face.
I am. Look.
Are you holding it right? Are you holding it right? Perfect.
Guys are back. We got Kyle, Ryan. He's finally back in the vlogs. I know we missed him. Taylor's up here.
It's dusty.
It's dusty. He's cleaning the crate. All right, guys. So basically now we're gonna do an unboxing of the crate, and you guys pretty much already saw it. Let's get to this. This is gonna be. What are you doing? It's gonna be sick.
Throw that shit in there.
Just do it. Hey,
What I think is
someone grab a
Oh, I could see in there.
back up as fast as you can.
There's a red pole that says demon on it.
Yes, that's the jack handle.
All right, watch out. Taylor, pull this pallet out.
And we lift it up.
Alright, don't give me no splinters here.
Wait,
Wait,
stand up here.
I want to slip.
Oh wait, I can't.
you're gonna have to like get a
No,
fat
get
ass-
out. I'm saying grab it from outside.
No, just
And then
lift
just
it.
lift it up.
Lift it about a foot up in the air, and I can. You're weak as fuck.
All right, I'm putting the fucking camera down.
Rip this.
Are you pulling the fucking?
Yeah, I tried. Ready?
I'm out. So you pull yours this way.
Oh, I want my toes.
There's a step on the truck.
So first you go like this.
First, you pull that, then you. What? For old men. All right. Where's the camera? Go get the camera.
Up, it's right there.
Curious, maybe you should take it slow.
So, Mopar Demon Crate installation instructions. It comes with a powertrain control module, the PCM, air intake filter, ICS integrated center stack, passenger mirror block off, personalized badge outlet, wheel 18 by 4.5, valve stem, foam trunk insert, torque wrench, half impact wrench, tool bag, 22mm impact socket, a half socket extension floor jack, fender cover, air pressure gauge, shipping crate, and instruction sheet. Wow, that's a lot. Instructions.
I'll pass. Put those right there.
First things first is
Cracks the wheel as it's pulling it.
rim, numero uno.
There's only 2 in there?
Well, it's for the fronts,
Oh, okay.
because the fronts become skinnies.
I didn't know that.
Yes, now you do. Rim
they know
numero
that.
uno.
Oh my god.
This is
The jack handle.
the jack handle. Wait, record that. Like,
Oh wow. Authentic.
You know what I can do
Clean.
with this? I can play baseball.
alright, quit fucking around with this shit. I'm showing you a joke. I'll kill you.
No fucking around.
We're gonna get demonetized.
Not like
Record
we
that
ever
too.
were.
Hang on,
Ooh.
record that. Let him record that.
Get your fucking finger on. Clean.
Nice.
Torque wrench.
Ah, I bit my finger. Dude, what the fuck?
Clean.
What is this?
Blueberry. Get shit on there.
Oh,
Nice.
This thing actually do shit. Was this snap-on?
Yes.
It is?
I'll snap on.
that's sick.
Nice. Well, that's plentiful.
Air gauge. Brought to you by Demon.
Digital.
Clean.
Clean.
This better be some high-tech shit right here.
Now we're gonna get into all the.
What else is there? Oh, there's
all
shit
the
under
boxes
it.
and it's all the PC in there. Zach, don't
Don't touch
It's
the
only
box.
styrofoam. Need some help?
I just don't know.
Actually, yeah, I can see all this fitting in the back of the Demon.
Go, bud.
Go. Kyle, grab that.
And there's Taylor's booster suit.
Not the fresh snap.
Wow.
Oh, you know when there's boxes, everything's legit. Thank you.
Matt.
Matt?
It says demon on it, so don't unroll it. Yeah, Matt. So you gotta go with your.
Box numero one.
Huh, what is this?
Some styrofoam.
Nice, nice.
Clean.
Clean.
We'll go through that in a minute.
Oh, there's a bolt missing. Something's broken.
Oh fuck, guys.
Probably from the box or something.
What?
Dude, I'd put my toys in this crate in my bedroom.
Hey, don't fucking drop it. You don't know what's in there. Go
I
put it over
didn't
there.
drop it. What the fuck,
Kill you.
Grandma?
I'm trying not to break the box.
That has it.
Yeah,
the
that's for
panel.
the air conditioning.
No, that's the panel so you can click the fuel. What fuel you're running.
No, it's not.
It's not.
This is the other passenger vent that has the Demon. 2151 built for unknown.
The one that has all your stuff.
This is, that's pretty sick, a tool bag.
Nice, nice. Clean.
Tool bag,
Yeah, that's nice.
styrofoam.
You should take a picture of how this all was in there.
This videos. He had it recorded, so.
You have it on screen view? How do you do that? Screen view, besides the eye view. That? Press it?
Is it demon?
Now it's in there.
All right, boys,
What was this?
subscribers. This right here is the computer that
PCF.
well, it's a computer basically that allows the 840 horsepower with a 100 octane fuel system, or lets you run it basically, and that's gonna need to get put in very fast. Doesn't look that too crazy, but that's probably the most important piece actually of all this. Hey, be careful with this.
Don't take pictures.
Are you taking pictures of me while I'm recording you?
Yeah, that shit's fun. Look at.
How do you do it? Why is it like that? Broken.
That's broken.
That's the one that you
There you go.
What
So this, shouldn't even take it out. That's sick. So this is what gets you the SRT, the launch.
Launch. I like how discreet that is.
Look at the back. You'd think it'd be a little bit more complicated, but just kind of plugs in.
Hey, all
And
my
you can
pictures
click
are
off your-
black if they're women.
Volume, your tune, your AC.
All my pictures
What's
are
this
black
button
and
do?
That's for your fuel. Don't talk like that either. I'll kill you.
No, it's not.
They probably thought we've driven 500 miles. That's why we're getting all this stuff now.
In right now.
I got this shot.
Nice.
I'm sick. Alright.
Pale ass.
Look at this intake. Holy shit. That's an intake. It literally says it on the thing, intake. Whoa! That's a fucking. That's like the same size as my head. This adds like.
Now your head's pretty big.
My head is pretty big, but this is somewhat
You're
close.
pretty. I mean, you're Armenian, so.
Hey, what the
Yeah,
hell does that have
it's
to do with
pretty
anything? All right, motherfucker. My head's
Call
are
your head big.
My head is large.
Shut your mouth.
Hey, us Armenians, dog, we're fucking massive. More styrofoam. Don't know what that is, but we won't show that.
Kit.
And
piece of shit ass.
jack.
Oh, is that what that is?
I mean, not jack. Impact. I get all my tools mixed up. I'm sorry. What?
Fuck. Oh, what is
That's a nice impact. Smells good too.
It does.
Oh my god, and it comes charged. That's nice.
Slap it on with the might of Zeus.
Subscribe for more.
Oh shit.
Excuse me, sir. I need to see that.
So today we are just using the fisheye lens.
Mm-hmm.
It looks cool. I don't know what it does. It just looks cool.
Let me see the last picture you just took. It's pretty nice.
Little white boy. Type it. Alright?
Oh my god. Have it in record. Yeah.
Alright guys, so for any of your transportation needs, make sure you guys call Performance Transport. Nothing's wrong with the truck. No. Basically we just needed to move it from the shop, and so this is kind of how we got it, because we also have to put the because we also have to put the tow truck in storage. Oh, and you're good. And so yeah, so basically, you know, make sure you guys call for any of your needs. Performance Transport. Who knows? I may be working one day, and you guys can see me. I'll be like, "What's up?" You guys put you in the vlog, and we also have to do a video on this truck. Comment down below if you want to see this, because there's a lot that we can talk about on this car. So
Maybe you should take it slow.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. This was a lot of fun. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram, Spoiled Little Bastards, and also make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below because that's going to be getting us all as like a community together. I want to hear you guys' input on these kinds of videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video.